Hey Wallet Hovers! Today we're talking about whether you can get one-day car insurance. The short answer is no. There are no reputable car insurance companies that offer one-day car insurance. The only time you can get one-day car insurance is if you pay for rental car insurance at the counter. But even when you're renting, you may be covered for longer than just one day. Plus, you may be covered by your personal auto insurance policy or have better alternatives. One alternative for people who don't own a car and only drive when renting or borrowing is non-owner insurance. Non-owner insurance is a cheap alternative that works by supplementing the car owner's liability coverage, activating when the car owner's insurance limits are exhausted. Another alternative is pay-per-mile insurance. Pay-per-mile insurance is useful for infrequent drivers because you pay based on how much you drive. If you don't drive often enough to justify the cost of standard car insurance, this option might work for you. Additionally, if you're looking for coverage that bases the cost of a policy on how safe your driving habits are, usage-based insurance, or UBI, is for you. UBI typically gathers data from the driver's vehicle, either through an installed device or the driver's phone, then uses that data to determine how much of a discount the driver is eligible to receive. Finally, if you want to lower premiums and you drive less than 5,000 miles per year, you might qualify for a low mileage discount. For example, you could qualify if you only drive for leisure, or if you use a lot of public transportation, or you own a classic car. So to recap, you cannot get one-day car insurance. However, there are plenty of alternatives for all types of drivers that offer great coverage at reasonable prices. If you want to learn more about the best options for short-term car insurance, just click the button here.